Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Offers for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as minus gold, silver, copper, crude, US30, Bitcoin. So before we get into this analysis, as well, the same disclaimer, read carefully each and every line, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So, and this is our watch list, starts from DXY and end with gold. And today I am going to show one of my 30 years target got hit. 30 years target got hit. So which is that? Which pair is that? Everybody, right? You just think which pair is 30 years my target. But I started that trading in 2016 November. But my 30 years target I fixed. I didn't fix, but I work hard for that. And God knows. So how you have to be. He is the creator. He knows very well. Sorry. So a little bit got emotions. So what is that 30 years target? Which pair is that? Just I will show you that. Not DXY. This is the one. My new venture. I and my friend both together work hard and we did that. And those are my staffs. This is my one of the showroom. The beautiful Pochamali sarees in the showcase, and she is also my staff. And from the left, this is the entrance. These are all dress materials as well as blouse piece. And then next to that, it's me here. Yeah, all churidar materials. And this is the lovely cash counter, and this is my monitor. And after that, it's a fancy sarees sections. Here, that silk podium. These are all the silk counter Indian traditional. This is a lovely Kanjivaram sarees. And these are all the silk sections. Hand woven Kanjivarams, silk cottons, Banaras. These are all pure cotton sections. And I just zoom out. Lovely interiors. Beautiful. And one more in this is, it's a Ganesha. It's a fancy Ganesha without stomach. So now again I repeat that silk section, and these are all the fancy sarees again. This is the other counter, other section, and this is the men's ready-made shirts, ready-made kurtas, and that Indian traditional dhoti. And this is the entrance. That's it. So this is my target of 30 years from 1993. I came to Bangalore here. So next, this is my watch list. This is from 2016. I quit my job. The 25 years, almost 24 years. I work hard as a salesman, and I quit the job. There is no growth there. Later onwards, I found this is a beautiful financial market, and that I am a pencil sketch artist, so that waves attracted me. The financial market waves attracted me, and I'm doing good with the Elliott waves. Thanks for that. Who introduced that Elliott waves to me, my friend? So, what I need to tell to you here is let's move on to a DXY and then end with gold. Patience is must. 30 years from 1993 is almost 2022 end. I got an opportunity. It's a new venture because of my friend. He knows very well about me, my hard work. So we started on September 30th, my dream fulfilled, and I need to fix the target again. So my life is wonderful. Thank to God, to everybody who supported me. So, and from the 2016 to 2022 September, and from the last past 3 to 6 months, I will be I got a busy work on that interior and the building constructions for that. So everything that is what I didn't done continuously, consistently, the YouTube as well as in that my Telegram channel or whatever the social, and I stopped everything to update because of the time factor. So but I will continue. I just stopped. That's it. It's a comma. It's not a full stop. So if I found a time, I will keep posting. And one more good news that I will tell you in the next video, that once I finish that, and then I will share with you. So keeps the good things are coming to me as well, because of never ever give up. This is just a starting. It could be a third way in my life. First way, that is a 23 years job, and the second way is the correction for the trading, and third way is just started in my life also. So keep rocking to everybody. Key is the main thing. What is that key? It's a patience. God knows, the creator knows how you have to be, but you work for that job satisfaction, not for the money. Just go, don't go behind that money. It's just a matter of your understanding. So just love your work, what you are doing, in the right way. I'm just talking about in the right way. Keep rocking, never ever give up. If it is not in this time, and you will be in the next episode also. It's the next generation, or your son may be fulfill your dream. My father's ambition, and I came here to the Bangalore for the textile showroom, to open the textile showroom. But my father didn't see this. So my father's dream got fulfilled as well as mine. So these are the factors you need to understand, as well as in the life, as well as in the trading also. The patience is the main key to everybody, but in the right way. That is the main thing you have to do. What you are doing is the right way or the wrong way, you have to understand, and you have to justify yourself. So I think it's a lovely story you had seen, and now we can enter into that DXY, the analyzing about that DXY. So as I expected, the same thing is happening here. One three-way structure is got completed now. So what it will be? This is the start of that impulsive, or again it is going to be WXY. It's a difficult, and I already explained the same thing. This is the correction of the for the fourth wave, and in usually the November, December, January, it could be that correction for that DXY, the dollar. After that, once the January or February, it will going to shoot as per my analysis, and I already informed that this is a disclaimer is there. I'm expecting this is the fourth wave, but it could be the end of the trend also. I already informed that too, because my target is 103.82 to break, and it did. That's it. And it seems like the structure is got uncompleted here in the waves. So maybe it could be again fourth wave, and one more fifth wave is also possible above the 116 or 118 like that, that we have to watch here. But once the market it did like this, then I will finish the count here itself. But the thing you have to understand is that target is got achieved, so be careful. See, Elliott wave can tell you that 90% or 95% the trend, whether it is going to end or it is going to reverse, that you have to understand, but in the right way. So sorry. So what is the next? If you zoom in the daily or 4 hours, it's like same what I have explained. So let's move on to the euro USD. The same thing, I'm expecting the little bit bigger correction here. So now last week I expected from here also it can do to break this one. So this is the A, this is the B, and one more C to break this, and again it can go to the higher. But what if happen, it already broken the previous high. So this is the, it's looking like an irregular flat pattern. So now this view is got invalid. So what is the next? This is the one I'm expecting, whether in the 3-way structure or the 5-way structure. It could be like this, or 3-way from here. But this portion is a sweet 38.2, 1.035 or 1.04. I need to watch this area. So what I expected, it is happening, right? The correction from the last week and the last month also, I am expecting the correction, and it is doing now. So wait for this to complete. Otherwise, what you have to do is, if you need to do, you can make the stop loss for this and you go for the buy, and to reach the target at least 1.03. Here is your entry point, and it can be a expanded flat. It can break this low also. That is why I need to say the invalidation is here 95. So if you enter at 96 or 9750, so nearly it's a 250 points is the stop loss for the target of nearly from here to here, it's nearly 800 pips. So this could be the last final rally to attract the buyers in the buy, and later onwards the one more downside to hit all the stop losses here, and it may reach to the 93, 94 or 92, whatever it is, the 5-way structures I need, like this wavelength I need here. So that is my view, and I already, as per I said, this is the stop loss. Looking for this, once the stop loss got hit, if the stop loss got hit, don't do anything, just look on this final 5-way structures to complete, and then you need to be in buy side. So next is GBP USD, that same correction. Look at this, I expected from here, right? And it is doing the same, but in the different pattern. But I'm expecting this one. So market, what it will do, it can do like this also, because in GBP USD a lot of times it is doing more than that 1618 in the Fibonacci retracement for the second way here. It can reach up to here, and then again one more low is also possible here for like this also. So I'm expecting the correction. This is the correction portion. So the structure has to complete. If you understand the Elliott waves and the patterns in the corrections, you come to know what I'm explaining here. So next is USD CAD. Look at this, my target, right? I already, it's not only in my life, my trading life target, all the targets. First of all, DXY. The next is Euro USD. It has to break that 1.0 1.03, and the GBP USD, it's also same thing in 1.05. It's did. The next is USD CAD 1. 1.34 I said first target. Look at this. I already see, because why I am explaining again and again about my target. The people who blaming the Elliott waves and kidding the Elliott waves, I just need to show this. That is my this is my what, it's a little bit emotion, because see, at the end of the day we need money, whatever strategy, but don't to kidding that other strategy. That is why I'm a little bit professional trader. I want to talk about the other, and I won't compare any strategy to Elliott waves. See, because I'm using the Elliott waves, I'm just explaining how it works, and I did from the past 3 years. You just go through my trading view. It's a open, everything, it's an open book, and show that what I did in that, just going through that all that my ideas, right, from the past. Look at this. I will just explaining you how it works. I'm not promoting the Elliott waves, because you need to educate yourselves. Whatever the strategy, go deep. That is why I'm just creating an awareness, and my ambition is to look at this. I already did from that December 31st, right? And that is my new year gift to everybody. Look at this on December 31st. What I said, it has to break the low. Look at this, just click the play button, it's did. So I'm expecting from here means whether this wave is completed or not, you have to find out. So the first target got hit, and as well as in the DXY also, right? So that second target also got hit. Look at this, GBP USD, and I already did. This is my new year to everybody. It's my gift to everybody. And the next one, third target got achieved. What is this? Australian dollar. It is still not yet dead, so wait for that. 1 second. Still not yet dead, and we are here. And in the New Zealand dollar, it's still, look at this, it has to break this, but not yet. It's a little bit, so it will do. Wait for that. The next one is USD CAD. What I said, the first is 1.34, and the next is 1.38, and then maybe 1.5. So now the two targets got achieved. Just click the button. Look at this. So next, what is next? USD CHF. Here beyond the fourth wave, right? So up to here it's dead. So one more wave, small wave is there. Whether it is going to hit this one or 1.07, let's wait for that. And in the USD JPY, here it has to break that 1.11, sorry, 118.66, and it did nearly 152, and I already changed my analysis also, right? My target is 150 and plus. I did. So next, New Zealand CAD. See all the targets in, as well as in my life, as well as in the trading. That is why, look at this, target is got reached. The next one, Euro New Zealand, yet to do. So look at this. I expected from here, and it did the 1 2 3 4 5, that expanded a triangle. Look at this, and one more down. So whether it is going to one more down here, that we have to wait and see. So this is also got hit. And next one is Australian dollar. I expected here one more wave, but the target, what is the my positional target? Look at this. Look at this. It hit. So expecting this, I'm not in sell side. My positional target is this one. Understand this. Be on trend side. So CAD JPY. Boom. Right from here, I expected to break this one. It's already did. So every pair, Australian JPY, but I'm not following this. Previous I did. What I expected. Look at this. All the targets. So this is the one I love. So gold yet to complete. it to complete this one, and I expecting here. So just click the play button. Look at this, it did, and we are here. So keep rocking whatever you do in the right way and never ever give up. So these are all the targets, and 2022 is the beautiful year. Lot of good things happening in my way. So thanks to everybody, and let's move on to this one, USD JPY. Now in the 4 hours, look at this, I'm expecting the correction. It is doing so, allowed to complete the correction. Once the complete the correction, then only it will shoot. And in this is, I'm expecting the fourth wave. We are in the fourth wave in all Euro, USD, GBP, USD, UJ, UCAD, maybe a little bit bigger correction. So everything we are in the correction part, as I informed that. So next is USD CHF. So what I'm expecting here, from this I expected this one, and it already did. Now it can go above this high or little bit corrections, but it's already broken this high. So that means still we are in that higher side, and it may reach up to 1.06 also in future, right? So the next is a little bit fast, and USD JPY, USD CHF we completed, and the next is Euro New Zealand. So here I'm expecting this one correction. So it's already broken the previous. So whether, as I said in the last week itself, whether this is the completion and it is the starting of the correction part, can't find out here. So if we kept this as an expanding triangle like that, ABC, so this is the A and or W, and this is that X or whatever it is, the B, and one more down is also possible. But expecting this, I'm not in the trade in the sell, because I already got a doubt whether this is the one ABC. So whether this is the one is a ABC, and this could be the one is AB shallow C. So if this is the end of the trend, then this is the one is bullish. So anyway, I'm looking for up to this one, it's a correction, and one more high is also possible, or this is over. So there is a open is a two-way, so we can't trade this one. If you need to trade, I may take a little bit risk if it comes near to this zone, and we have to make this as a strict stop loss. Sometimes what it will happen, it will hit you a stop loss, and again it may come down. So keep watching this one. It's very difficult to analysis, because it's a two-way open. It can go anywhere, and that is also that valid for that. So next is what else? Euro New Zealand we completed, and the next one is US30. Look at this, what I expected. Just it's everything, just go through the last week video. What I expected, this one, right? This is the A, this is the B and C, and I'm expecting one more low, or whether this is the end of the trend in the 3 ways like this. But I'm not so sure, because I'm expecting the bigger correction, because this is also in the equities also bigger fourth wave. So it will took more than a year also. So this is the consolidation zone for that fourth wave. So it looks like one. So this could be the two, or this could be that expanded flat or running flat. Running flat means it no need to break this high. If it is an expanded flat, it can break the high and it will hit all your stop loss, and then again it can come to this as a three-way structure. So the next is Bitcoin US30. It is in the correction part, right? For this impulsive wave, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, or whether this is the A, this is the B, C, D, E, like this. This could be the triangle. Here is the A, B, C, D, E, but I have expected from this one, but it didn't happen. So now we have to wait for this, whether this is the one is, it's already broken this low. So here this could be the triangle. So this is the one impulsive wave. Wait a moment. Yeah, this is the triangle, and this is the one in the A, this is the B. One more low is also possible to break this, and later onwards one more impulsive wave. So this could be the bigger correction, and one more down. So for this one, these are all the correction part, and one more high, whether it is going to break this low. All that sells buy stop got hit, and sell are activated, and immediately it will bounce. After once it's hitting the stop loss, immediately it will bounce. So this will become that bigger correction part. So lot to do, whether it is going to be a running flat or it is going to be an expanded flat. That is the question here. So wait for this. No trade here for the here in my strategy and in my view. This is not a safest trade. It can go anywhere. That is also valid. So don't trade the correct part. Wait for this to our opportunity for the making a big money. This is one impulsive. We own the correction part, and one impulsive wave. So impulsive, corrective, impulsive, then one more impulsive to the downside. So this is the one impulsive, correction, impulsive. So if this is the one, it start, no need to break this. So if it breaks this, one more low is possible. But if it is not at breaking, so then this is in that bigger correction part, the whole part. So what is the market will do? Like this it may do. But whether this is the end of the correction, maybe, and this could be the bigger correction part without breaking this high and without breaking this low, and again this could be the become. That is why I started this as a mark this as a. So B become a triangle also in the correction part. So wait for this. If you see, the trading is not a simple buy and sell. It depends upon your confidence in your strategy, in the right way of education. So what is next? We finished Bitcoin. Next is copper. So same view, nothing to. These are the bigger corrections, bigger corrections. If you expect it won't break this low, so making this as a stop loss, you targeting this, it will do like this. It will hit your stop loss, and again it may bounce. So this may be the correction. So I explained this same. You just go through my previous video. You may get the answer, the same analysis, everything. And in the crude, right? US oil. So what is that? Whether this is the one, the correction part is got completed, or we are in this correction part, what is going to do? So whether this is the end of the correction, or whether we are in the correction for this impulsive way, we are in the correction part. So whether this is the correction part is completed and we are in that downside, or this is the bigger what I expected. So bigger correction is started. But I see these are all the thing. It looks like here the wedge formation. I already informed that. So whether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got completed, and we are in the bigger correction, and one more low. It's there, still there, and this has become the bigger correction. One impulsive, one correction, and one impulsive. It looks very simple if I explain, but you need to work for that. So if you look into that and hide all the drawings, this is the one impulsive. It looks like a wedge formation. So for this impulsive, you are in the corrective part. If you need to trade, if it comes like this, making this as a stop loss, go for this target. And if the stop loss got hit, means again one more high, whether it is going to be a running flag or it is like this, or it is going to be a one more high to took all the stop loss as expanded flat correction and one more low. If it breaks this low, definitely we are in the downtrend to the target nearly 60. But the completion of the correction here is more important. You have to understand this. So let's move on to the next is silver. I think so. We got finished. Yeah, silver and the gold finally. So whether this is the second wave is got completed here and we are in the correction part like this, making this as a stop loss, go for this. And what happens sometimes, it can be a break this one from here, again it won't break this low. There is a chances, because this is the one here. I took it this as a correction in that this could be the W, this could be the X, and this could be the A, this could be the B, and one more C. So this whole part becomes the correction and impulsive way to the downside. So next is gold. What is happening? Wait, this is the impulsive beyond the correction part, and it didn't break this low. So wait for this. I took it this as an impulsive way, means this could be the correction part. I expected this and it did. So whether this is the correction part is completed. So whether this is the one impulsive wave and this is the wave 2, it's completed here, and we are in the downtrend, and it looks like here 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed, and it looks like ABC for me, because here it looks like one way is completed and this is the one impulsive wave. So this is the correction part here, and impulsive, corrective, impulsive. So one three way structures got completed. Now again impulsive, correction, and one more impulsive. So it's all making three-way structure. But here it looks like one A B 1 2 3 4 5. So this is also looking like a three-way structure. So wait for this to complete, but I'm not going to trade now. Once that correction part I understood, I will be in sell side, not in buy side, because my target from the past the war happened for that, right? Here I forget that also because I'm not following that. So Russia and yeah, Ukraine, right? This is the stop loss. Invalidation is 2071, right? This high. Now it's already broken this low. So whether this is the one A, this is the one B, and this is the one C, means this could be the W, or this is the end of the trend, but I'm not getting this wave count here 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the wave 1, or this is the W, and X or 2, and this is the one as 3, 4, and 5, or this is the W, X, Y, X, Z. But the target is this one, 1400. If it breaks this low, it will keep falling, but before that I need a correction. So hope you enjoyed my target, got hit for the 30 years. Thanks for God, and thanks for your supporting, and thanks for my friend who believe in my work. and happy weekend, happy lovely weekend, and we enjoyed the Diwali, and Diwali sales were excellent, and my analysis in it also, it's never failed because of the God's grace. In that offline retail store also, it's excellent sales. So it's not bad for the new venture after the COVID. While we are the retailers investing in the new business, it's very tough, but it's not bad. It's not excellent also, it's not a bad. So thanks for watching all my videos, and thanks for supporting me in each and every situations, and thanks for God. Have a lovely weekend to everybody, and we will see you in my next rest time. If I found a time, I will keep updating. Otherwise I can't do that, and I will uh, do that weekly video. I try to do that weekly video consistently. Thanks a lot. Have a nice wonderful weekend to everybody. Bye.